He talks about records. I'm happy to contrast our record any time. Under Labour, net migration quadrupled. 2.5 million extra people came in. Name? What's my name?
This year, 1 in 4 of us will experience mental health.
Watchdog over its decision to return guns to a pensioner.
82-year-old John Lowe has been found guilty of murdering his partner Christina Lee and her daughter Lucy.
Strength and to live up to a high standard as I move forward with my life, but it is hard.
Tesco is now under a criminal investigation. The serious £50 million. Tesco says it's cooperating fully. A man's being questioned on suspicion of American football games at Wembley last year brought in around 32 million. The franchise would mean at least 8 matches will be played there a season.